Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix an iPhone disabled connect to iTunes, how to fix forgotten password, how to unlock an iPhone without password. So this iPhone disabled is caused by too many inputs of different password. So in today's video I will show you how to fix it. So first of all, launch your 3U2. The 3U2 is the tool we are going to be using for this operation. You can find the tool link on the description below or on the pinned comment. Switch off the mobile device. Make sure your computer is connected to an internet because the 3U2 uses internet. Deactivate all antivirus on your PC. The next step is to put the device into recovery mode so that the system will dictate it. So how to put the phone into recovery mode? You hold the home button. If it's for iPhone that have home button, hold the home button, then connect your USB cord to the phone, then wait for it to enter the recovery mode. So I'll be showing you how to put device that is not iPhone that don't have home button, how to put it into recovery mode. So this is the way you will do it. Download the tool called RiBoot. The link also is on the description below. Once you launch it, that is for iPhone that don't have home button, how to put them into recovery mode. Now this is the tool. Now you just connect the iPhone through USB and click on enter recovery mode, and automatically the device will enter recovery mode. So once the device is on recovery mode, click on go flash. Once you click on go flash, you can use your 3U2 to download the firmware directly, or you can also import it. I already have the firmware downloaded. Let me just import it. So you can learn how to download iPhone firmware or flash file from the video shown at the top of your screen, the video card. I've already made a video on that, or you can find the video link on the description below or on the pinned comment. So after you've successfully selected your firmware, so you select an option of flash you want to perform on the iPhone. So now let me explain the types of flashing we have on iPhone. We have the retain user data. The retain user data is selected when you want to perform an update or an upgrade on the iOS on the iPhone. There's no data loss when you select the option. So the second one is the quick flash mode. The quick flash mode is selected by engineers when you want to flash the mobile device, you want to format it. Maybe you're encountering some errors on the iOS, so if you want to full flash it, so you select it. There's data loss when you select the option, and we have the anti-recovery flash. The anti-recovery flash perform deep flash on the iOS. When you select this method, it perform deep flash. It will wipe every data. There's data loss in the anti-recovery mode also. And lastly, we have the fixed flash. The fixed flash is maybe when you are performing a flash, you encounter some errors, so you just click on the fixed flash to continue the flashing process. So in this tutorial, I'll be selecting the quick flash mode. So once selected, I click on flash. So next, you wait for 15 minutes or thereabout for the operation to be successful. You leave the tool to load until it completes its process to 100%. So please, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. You hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If this process is successful to you, please give a comment on the comment section below. So let's wait for a minute. Sometimes be patient so that these procedures will be completed. And also for online classes and mentorship, you can contact me on the number showing on your screen, because I won't be covering most of the important part of this video online. So you can contact me on the number showing on your screen to get mentored on how to repair mobile device. boom, the process is done. Congratulations, clean flash completed. So now just wait for the iPhone to finish booting. So now it's booted. Disconnect your USB cord and let's perform some manual settings setup on the iPhone. So click on the home button. Once you click on the home button, you select your language. For me, I'll be selecting English. Then select your country or region. So after your country has been selected, it will take you to another menu. So click on setup manually. Then connect your Wi-Fi. Connect your Wi-Fi to the device. So once your Wi-Fi is connected successfully, you join, then it will take you to another option, to another menu. So it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so be patient for your iPhone to be activated. So let's give it some time for it to be activated. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Send your comments below, like the video if this video is helpful, share to help other engineers also. I still remain the Great Phone Repairs. You can contact me for online classes. So now this is, you select continue, then go to setup option, don't use, password option, don't use password, don't use, then wait for it, then don't transfer, then go to forgot password, then click on setup later in settings, then click on don't use. So wait for it to load, is loading. Now agree to the terms and conditions. Click on agree, then click on continue. Click on continue, not now, then continue. Setup later in don't share, then choose a display type, then select, then click on get started. So boom, your iPhone is working perfectly. So thank you for watching. This is the Great Phone Repairs. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For online classes and mentorship, you can contact me on the number showing on your screen. Please don't forget to share this video in order to help and assist other engineers all around the world. And also, if this video is helpful, let me know on the comment below, and also like the video if it's helpful.